Hello! Today we are going to make another special Moroccan dish that probably looks bizarre in many other countries. Tkelia or lamb stomach stew. We will need lamb stomach lining, lungs, and fat. Put them in a bowl, add hot water, and wash them several times until the organs look clean. These were previously cleaned, and I'm doing another wash with water to show you. But really, the most important step in this recipe is to super clean these ingredients. Cut the stomach lining into pieces the size of your index finger. Place the stomach pieces directly in a large pot. Separate the left lung and right lung, and discard the piece in the middle. Then cut the lungs into medium-large pieces. Place the lung pieces in the pot. Cut the fat into small pieces. Place the fat pieces in the pot. Without covering the pot, cook the stomach, lungs, and fat for 20 minutes on medium-high heat until they release all their liquid, and the liquid evaporates. Once the liquid has evaporated, add the chopped onion and grated garlic cloves. Mix and cook for 5 minutes. For the spices, we will need ground turmeric, ground cumin, ground ginger, paprika, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. Add tomato paste, olive oil, half of the finely chopped parsley, and grated tomatoes. Mix all the ingredients, cover the pot, and cook for 5 minutes. Now cover the ingredients with water, around 1 liter. Cover the pot and cook on medium-high heat for 45 minutes or so until the lung and stomach pieces become tender. In the meantime, cut a preserved lemon into quarters. Chop the pulp of 1/4 preserved lemon and keep 2/4 whole. Once the meat is almost done and the sauce has thickened, add the rest of the finely chopped parsley, the preserved lemon, and green olives. Mix all the ingredients. Cook for a few minutes and then serve immediately. Serve hot with crusty bread and Moroccan mint tea. Bon appétit!